I went on Amazon and I bought me the chart.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, so
That's great.
I've been
Oh.
studying it. Do itari desu ka?
Itara.
Itara.
Please be careful for la. Itara ii desu ka?
Do itara ii desu ka?
Yes.
Rarirurero.
Yes, that's it.
Thank you.
Rarirurero.
Thank you. It's okay. It's easy to say it when I'm saying like the alphabet, right? But then when I'm saying it in the words, it's hard.
It's connected.
It's connected.
I think your pronunciation is significantly getting better.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think it's because of your self-study.
Mm-hmm.
So please continue
Okay.
yourself.
Thank you.